Hello everyone, today we are going to model this pentagrammic prism in Fusion 360. I'll show you how to create this model step by step. So let's jump into the tutorial to make it happen. Before we begin our first sketch, make sure we have a new design file open and ready here. Okay, next let's create a new sketch here. Select this plane. Then we'll use the polygon tool and select to inscribed polygon option. In the line type section here, select to construction type. Then select the center point. Type the dimension directly here, 45 millimeters. Then press tab to switch to set the number of polygon sides. Enter. Then apply a horizontal constraint to this line. Then select the line tool. Select this point, this center point, and click this checkmark icon. Then deselect the construction mode. Select this point. Click here and click this checkmark icon. Then select the mirror tool. In the object section, select this line. And in the mirror line, select this line. Click OK. Then we'll use the circular pattern tool to create 4 more pentagrammic arms. So select the circular pattern tool here. In the object section, select this line and this line. Then in the center point section, select the center point. Then input the quantity here. Click OK. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this point. Then add an angle dimension between this line and this line. 108 degrees. Make sure there's a padlock icon next to the sketch in the browser here that shows it's fully constrained. Okay, next we'll add thickness to this sketch profile. So click on Solid tab, select the Extrude tool. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. Then input the thickness here, 100 millimeters. Change the thickness direction by entering a negative value. Click OK. Okay, next we'll add an appearance to this solid body. So we can right click on body 1 in the browser here and select appearance tool. Then we drag this color and drop it onto the solid body. Here our 3D pentagrammic prism model is complete, and with that last step our tutorial is also complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.